That's fake. That's fake.
They're not, they're real.
That's 50 then.
Look.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. What are you doing?
I don't even need the bottle.
No, that's fake.
They're not, it's real. Look, it's real.
Oh, okay.
Let me know when you want to give up.
No, I don't want to go. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Ready? Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the episode of the No Cuts Hour. How you all doing? Hope you all doing well. Hope you're better than us because we're coughing and we're not in like a clear voice. My voice, I don't know if you can tell, my voice is not 100% clear. Yours?
No, mine's okay now.
No, it's okay,
For
but
the
last
past
week
4 weeks, I've been ill.
That's why I've not seen you for like 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And welcome back to the show.
Thank you very much. Thank you for
I'm
having
just
me.
going to do that. Yeah, we haven't been on for the past 2 weeks because one, I had a guest on last week, and second,
I was
obviously-
ill, and then we had a guest on last week, so
then I got ill as well.
yeah,
Had
now
to
he's
pull that.
ill.
But it's crazy.
I think that's why it's gone from me, because I passed it to you.
You passed it on to me, yes, and that's not a good idea. I don't accept it. But anyway, it was gonna get passed on anyway because obviously you're hanging out and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
But how's work on top of that?
Okay, yeah, this
You be
week
working?
again, I'm back up to 4 or 5 days.
Well, okay.
So yeah, it's good. Obviously, past 3-4 weeks, I've only been working 2-3 days, because I've not been well. But this week, I'm back to normal.
So you still working, obviously?
Yeah.
How is work?
Yeah.
Anyway?
It's good. Yeah. It's been a bit quiet, but just a bit busy on the weekend. During the week's been a bit quiet, but that's expected. Obviously, just after Christmas and that.
Yeah. Okay. Anything new before we get into the challenge for you guys today? Yes, we are doing a burping challenge part 2 because nobody won the last one. Apparently,
was a
somebody
draw.
said to me he didn't count it properly.
It was a draw.
Okay, what's 18 at 3?
18 and 3, 21.
Yeah, but you said 20.
Yeah, maybe.
Exactly.
Just keep it
That's-
lower.
Keep it lower. So that's what we're gonna do today because we do need a loser basically, and we got sore throats. So we're still doing it for you guys. It definitely deserves to subscribe, that guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And also, yeah, anything new? You tell me.
No, nothing new at all.
Okay, tell me what do you think of the last episode?
It was good, yeah. The one with Bajan, yeah. It was a good
Naseem,
episode.
yeah.
Good topic.
Good topic. A lot of people said it's a good topic as well.
Yeah.
You know, his idea, normally, every time I get a guest on, right, the always questions and ideas are from me. But the last one, I give full credit to Bajan. It was
Okay.
his idea.
Okay.
And the reason why, because he did a speech once in a mosque, and he goes, this needs to be discussed on your podcast. I went, fine.
Okay.
No, but I do have another topic to do with him. It is going to be the Islamic way of looking after your spouse.
Okay.
Not just on the women,
But
on the
men as
guy as well.
Okay.
How to look after the spouse, the man-wise, and how to look after your husband, and how to look after your wife. The Islamic way. And why the Islamic way is, I think, some people have misjudged it.
Yeah. They're thinking that in Islam it's okay to hit your wife,
For example,
you
that.
know, and things like that.
And little kind of things like that, right? That's why I thought, let's discuss this and bring Pujana on again and discuss it properly with him this time.
Yeah.
I've had a word with him and he said, fine, just get the questions ready and we'll do it. So I'll say in a few weeks' time because I want a few more comedy guys with you guys.
It's like there's a saying: a woman is made from a man's rib. So with the rib, obviously, with the woman, they say what to do is you look after it, you cherish it the way it is. Do not try to straighten it, because if you try and straighten it, it'll break. You know, so obviously that's the conception of the way you look at a woman.
Why do you come on the podcast on the next one with Pujana?
Yeah, I suppose I could do. Yeah,
Plus, I get a bit nervous sometimes when he's always on.
yeah, I suppose I could do. Yeah.
I would get nervous because as soon as I say Assalamu alaikum, welcome back, right? As that
It snaps
confidence,
out of it, yeah. You
I snap out the nervousness, right? But I think we should because all three of us on one should be all right.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to think if we film it downstairs.
Yeah, we will obviously because
It'll have to be.
not
There's not enough space and all that here. I will get one camera on him, focus on that as well, and two on us.
Yeah.
Okay, something off topic now. Latest movie you watched?
I've not watched movies for a while, to be honest.
Yeah.
Probably One of the Fast and the Furious is maybe, yeah.
Which one?
The latest one, whatever it is, 9, 10 or whatever.
9 to 10, yeah, 10, yeah. That's part one.
Okay.
Or part of that. Okay, all-time favorite movies.
The classic one, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
You know they got a name for Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge?
What is it, Triple D or something like that?
DDLJ.
DDLJ, yeah.
There's part two of that, but it
Kuch
wasn't.
Kuch Hota Hai, KKHU or something.
Yeah, there's part two of Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge, but they called it Dilwale. But it's not part two. It's just like
Is Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol in it?
because it's 25 years of the film Dilwale, right? So that's why they named it. It's a reunion kind of thing.
Okay, okay.
That's why they call it Dilwale.
So it's called Dilwale and is it out?
Yeah,
Okay.
came out a few years ago.
Okay, I'm gonna look for that.
Spoiler
Them
alert.
two are still in it, married, everything.
No.
Oh, they
Spoiler
split
alert. They split up because of gangsters.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
And then later on they get back together.
It's a different story. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
different story. Okay, what do you prefer, diesel or petrol?
Petrol,
Why?
faster.
Faster.
Mm.
Okay, forget the speed. Put the speed to one side.
That's all the whole thing about cars is the speed.
You see, with you, I can talk about cars. With Wakar, I talk about wives.
Yeah, obviously the whole point of having a car is to do with the speed.
What about the luxury?
Obviously the luxury as well, but I'd
What about
rather
getting the
have,
full mileage out of a car?
yeah, obviously when he goes to work and things like that, then yes, you want a diesel car.
Mm.
But put the mileage to a side. If you're just thinking what do you prefer, then yeah, I'd prefer petrol cars.
None of them. I'm diesel if I had to choose them.
Hybrid, I don't know.
I'm just about to get on
I
that.
don't know
What do you
much about
prefer,
it.
hybrid or electric?
I don't know anything about hybrid or electric.
I prefer. They're both good. Hybrid is mixed petrol and electric, right?
So you never have to charge it.
Yeah, you can get the ones you can charge, right? And electric is fully electric.
Yeah, so you have to charge
If you
it.
get electric, right, to give you a full range, I prefer that.
Mm,
But they should have cars that charges only electric, only electric engines.
mhm.
Should get self-charging on it. I reckon that'd be even better.
Well, they won't. They'll never do that because if they bring a self-charging car out, then it means that they're never going to make money.
See what I mean? No, but
Yeah, because the whole point about cars is the fact that you need to put some
need
sort
to
of fuel
charge
in it
Yeah,
to charge it, and then that makes them money.
that's the point.
Where if they do a thing where you never have to charge it, never have to fuel it, so they're never going to make money from it.
It's like hybrid. You have to put fuel in to
Exactly.
charge it.
Electric, you have to charge. But if they kill all that, then it means that's it. Once they sold you the car, they're not going to make any more money.
That's true. Okay, did you know? Oh, did you do anything on Valentine's Day? Just came out last week,
No,
wasn't it?
I didn't even know what day it was.
You didn't know what day it was?
Mhm.
Oh, just you were sleeping.
Yeah, Valentine's Day is just another day.
Yeah, just it's for teenagers now, isn't it?
Yeah, for kids.
Yeah. And also this year we get the 29th of Feb, don't we?
Oh, is it a leap year?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Every 4 years, isn't it?
Yeah, leap year, yeah.
And also Ramzan's coming up.
I believe so.
I was gonna say you're gonna turn up. You're gonna do.
Yeah, inshallah. This
Inshallah,
year.
same
Yeah.
year. I did it for quite a lot last year because obviously I was off work.
Mm-hmm.
And this year, inshallah, I'm gonna do as well. Okay, let's get back into the rapid fire round, and we're gonna get onto this challenge. Yeah.
Mhm.
This time I'm going first. Okay, first that comes in your head. Only about 20. Yeah.
Mhm.
I'm joking. 10. First that comes in your head when I say first car you had.
Primera.
Was it?
That was my very first legit car, yeah.
Okay, legit. Last car you had. You owned.
R8, I think it was. RX8.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know. Is it? First accident you ever had.
Calibra.
Don't go there. Okay. Last accident you had.
I've never really had an accident. I've lost control of cars.
Yeah.
Smashed him up. I've never actually hit into another car.
So basically, kind of a good driver.
You could say that, yeah.
Okay. Okay, this is a good one. Last car you raced.
Raced.
Don't say Calibra again.
No, probably in one of the stolen cars I've had.
So basically, you raced, not got raced from.
Yeah.
That you've actually raced with somebody else.
Yeah, just obviously at lights. Somebody parks up and you race them.
Yeah. Okay. Last road trip. Have you ever been on road trips?
Not really, no. Actually, yeah. When I had my 528, I was going out with a girl called.
No names.
Yeah, I was with her,
Right.
and we went to. We went basically traveled England over
Okay.
over a period of 4 days,
Right.
and then we drove to France as well, in my BM. We drove from here to Kent, from Kent to Dover, from Dover to Aberdeen,
Mm.
from Aberdeen down to Glasgow, Glasgow to Rill, and then Rill to.
Why that much driving?
Just
Just for
walking,
fun.
waking up every morning. Say, right, where we going today?
Oh, right, different days then.
Yeah,
Not one
yeah,
day.
yeah.
Right. Okay. Skydiving.
Never do it, never will.
What you want to do it? I'd love to do it.
No, fuck that.
Okay. Your birthday's coming up, innit?
Yes, in 8 months.
40th birthday.
40th birthday, yeah.
Any plans?
Not yet.
You do know you're getting older.
I know I'm getting older.
Okay. First thing that comes to your head when I say getting older.
Me.
You. I'm glad you didn't say me. Okay.
No, 'cause you're old. I'm getting old. You're
yeah,
old.
whatever. No. You're getting to 40. 46 in that
That's what I
old.
mean. I'm getting old. You're already old.
Nah, it's not. It's not that age. Trust me. I wish I would have had a good answer for that, but I'm not well right now. That's why I'll leave him to. I'll give him that. Okay. The first thing that comes to your head when I say, if you only had one day to live, what would you do?
Live the next day.
Live the next day. That wasn't a cheeky answer question.
What would I do? What would I do? Go rob a bank.
You just actually said that on camera.
Yeah, go rob a bank, yeah.
Oh, bank.
Yeah, what do you think I said?
I thought you said something else. Then.
What do you think I said?
B to W. Okay, next one.
B to W.
Move the B upon. Go out of a bank.
Going out of a bank.
That's what I thought you said.
Going out of a bank.
No, go and rob a bank, you said, didn't you?
Yeah.
Right? Which is not good, by the way, guys.
Oh, right.
What can't would have said that? Okay, guys, this is yours. We're doing the Sprite challenge.
Again.
I think you just said that on camera. Though, what are you doing? Anyway, so what we do today, guys, is again the Sprite challenge, and the reason why because last time we didn't have a winner.
And we didn't
This
have a
guy
running
said
Sprite
I
either.
lost, and which I did 21 or something, and he did 22. For me to win, I had to do 23. And the reason why we're doing it again because nobody won last time, and the reason why we have to do it again is because we need a loser. Because on the next podcast, the whole podcast, the loser has to wear these Harry Potter glasses and his hair with oil on it, split from the middle, curtains.
Yes.
No matter what, you sign the dotted lines, yeah?
Yeah, and we also got a bottle of Sprite this time. Last time it was Iron Brew.
Last time it was Iron Brew. This time it's Sprite.
The proper things.
And I'm going first this time.
Go.
In fact, you're going first.
You want me to go first?
Yeah, you go first. I'm just going to open mine. You're right. The lid doesn't open all the way now.
No. You have to make it open.
Yeah.
Ah.
That's one way, yeah. Okay, I don't want to get my phone ruined again this time, so I'm going to put it upside down. Last time I spat all over the cameras and everything. That's better. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Has to be real, can't be fake. Four. 5.
That was 5. I was still
No,
3
5.
again.
6, 7.
Nothing else.
No, nothing. 7 only. 7 only? Come on, guys. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I just wish you could see your face doing this. 13 so far. Let's see if he gets any more. 14, 15, 16, 17.
Look how many drink I've got left though.
I know. You just quit any time. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. This is going to go on forever then. If you want to get a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, go ahead and go get one. 6, 27, 23, 24, 25. I can't be wrong then. 26, 27, 27. That's nothing that. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. No, that came out the wrong way then.
You know you got no chance.
30 that was.
30 exactly, and I've drank half the bottle, so I'm gonna be on 60 by the time.
Keep going. Oh, I think I just pulled a muscle in the back.
So that's 33 now.
Yeah. No, how many you just burped now?
Two.
2. 33, yeah, 33, yeah. Uh, 34, 35, 36, 37. Oops, I think I had a conversation with the wrong guy. 37, 38, 39, 40. Really 40?
Yeah.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
I just worked away. I was
48.
burping.
Huh? That's fake. That's fake.
They're not, they're real.
That's 50 then.
Look.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. What are you doing?
I don't even need the bottle.
No, that's fake.
They're not, it's real. Look, it's real.
Oh, okay.
Let me know when you want to give up.
No, I don't want to go. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. No, these are fake now.
They're not fake.
They are
real.
fake. No.
How are they fake?
They're definitely fake, guys.
How are they fake?
They're fake.
Look.
That's it. Time out. Done this.
Proper burps.
68.
Proper burps.
No, can you win? 69, 70, 71, 72. No, this is fake now. That's fake. You have to drink something, you know. Oh, let's count now.
So do you want to give up?
No, I don't want to give up.
Oh man.
Eat something. 82, 83, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 100, really, what? Okay, I think that's enough.
I've still got half the bottle left.
Do you finish?
Eh?
You finish?
Not yet.
Keep drinking then. What was I on?
80 or 90 he was on.
That's 93 then. 94.
How many am I on now?
100. 101, 2, 3, 4, 5. You better puke one.
What am I on now?
108.
Go on, 110, that's it. I give up.
Is that it?
I can't even go in.
I got a headache.
I thought we'd be here all night.
I got a headache, guys. I can't beat that. I cannot beat that.
And I've only drank half the bottle. As you can see, look.
How can you do that many, right? And stop? I mean, and still have loads left. I think this is one of those things that does that.
No, I've figured out a way of burping. See?
It's fake
It's
burping.
How is that fake?
How you figured it out?
I can't tell you that.
I can't do it on because I've got sore throat. Okay.
One for more good luck. He's got no chance. One, 2, 3, 4.
No, well. It's really hurting me, this.
Five.
If I don't win this, guys,
6.
I'm not filming the next one.
7.
My toes hurting.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Better than last time.
We got Sprite in it, that's fine.
Mm. Mm. Ah.
13, 14, 15, 16.
I googled this the other day. Nobody's done this.
17.
I wonder
18,
why.
19, 20.
No. You get more bulbs out of that.
Last time we got 20. Or 21.
21.
Last time that's what we hit. 22, 23, 24, 25. Yeah, last time we hit 21 with the full iron brew.
I think when they're probably just about to catch up.
Mm.
What was the 110?
No, mine, yeah.
I just done 2.
23, 4.
I'm getting a headache now. It's not easy, guys. Try it at home, you might like it. I mean, there's a challenge where you have to drink the whole bottle without burping.
Yeah, we've done that one.
I've done it twice. One was with Picasso. Picasso on holiday, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But surprised no one's really done this.
25, 26.
I just realised one thing. It tastes horrible.
It's not very nice. I only drink it when I've got an upset stomach. Yeah, it helps.
What happens if you get upset stomach because of this?
You don't get it because of it. 27, 28, 29.
You guys actually going to sit there and watch this all burp? Come on, guys. Turn it off. No. No coughing, no coughing.
Mm. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33.
My kid watches this and laughs. You know that. Go see it on Sunday. So, yeah.
34, 35.
More this time. My stomach's about to burst, you know that. You see more burps like that as well.
36, 37.
No.
Come.
I think I'll take yours though.
38, 39, 40.
Horrible taste. Yeah.
It's like a limey taste, isn't
It
it?
is, I think because not well as well.
That's what helps you. That's what helps you upset stomach, the lime.
Well, after this I'm going straight to the toilet. Spend an hour
What
on
was
that.
I on?
110.
No, what was you on? Sorry, what number did I say then?
Shoot, I forgot.
38, 39, something like that.
I don't know the 100 one. I've definitely lost.
30, 41, 42, 43, 44.
I'm definitely lost. I'm getting a headache as well now. Horrible taste. Drinking that in slowly steps is not easy.
45, 46, 47.
Sorry guys, but I quit. Thank God that's over.
And I can still carry on. I can carry on all night.
I don't know how you do it, man. Yes, a punishment is a punishment, so I will do that punishment next month. But the only thing is, guys,
He's gonna become Mr. Harry Potter. Mr. Harry Potter. He's gotta wear these and curtains with his hair with tail on it.
yes,
You know,
that's
Masrana
it.
Taylor.
Masrana Taylor. Yes, for you guys, I will do it. And as you can see, we're both tired and full up as well. This is giving me a headache. This, like, it's getting cold coming on as well. So,
That's it for today.
guys, he's doing the outro. Bye bye. Only kidding, guys.
Yeah, that's it for today. Hopefully you've enjoyed the episode of the No Good Sour. And
I know avocados.
have a blast.
I know avocados.
Go sleep.
Yeah, carry on. Carry on.
Go on.
End it.
Have a blast. Assalamu alaikum.
My turn. Oh, sorry guys. I just don't do avocados. Yeah, I'm just gonna say last words before we go. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for tuning in. I think I've lost my words now. I was always gonna say any last words before we go, but you already said that. And yeah, if you haven't so far subscribed, please like, share, subscribe, and it will help the channel to grow. We've hit over 400 subscribers, which is mashallah very good. And thank you guys for subscribing.
Thank you very much. Yes, boys.
And if any challenges you think we can do, please comment below. And we do have a few more topics to talk about with the Big Brother, and a few more guests to come up as well. I spoke to a guest today, and he's planning on coming on as well today sometime.
Okay, that's good.
And hopefully get him on very soon. But yeah, and a lot more challenges coming up for you guys, and a special guest coming up.
Yes.
Very special guest coming up for you guys.
Which I'm sure you guys would all like.
Do you know who is?
Eh?
Do you know who is?
No. Who? Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah, you can't say it on camera. Definitely a special guest coming up for you guys very, very soon. So if you want to know who that is or what it is, subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon so every time we upload you get notified. Every Saturdays I upload, but 1 o'clock. So keep an eye out for this one as well. And yeah, thank you again for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.